What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's midday market recap. My name is Brad, and this is Own the Chaos, where we talk about everything over-the-counter penny stocks. And today is the day for Avengers Endgame. I know that there's a lot of people that might think that I'm a huge dork, but I don't care. I love all the Marvel movies, so I just kind of wanted to today. The market's really slow today, so I wanted to we'll talk some stocks, but I also just kind of wanted to get to your guys' opinion. Are you looking forward to the movie? What do you even care? And I know there's probably a good mix of diehard fans. Are you sad that the saga is finally coming to an end? I am a little bit, but we can talk about that. So let me go ahead and welcome some folks in here. We did make a 100% trade. SMPW is also making a nice little run after our entries at 004. So we'll look at that as well. So what's going on, Samir, Laura, Chris Anderson, Arm Trader, Stone Cold? What's going on? Arm Trader's going in 5 hours. I'm so jealous, man. So for me, I'm waiting. I'm watching them all the way through again, and I'm not done. As excited as I probably would be to go see it tonight, I think I'm cool with like waiting for the crowd to clear out, and then I can go watch it. But yeah, so anyways, I know this is totally random, guys. So if you are visiting for the first time and have never been to this channel, hopefully I earn a thumbs up from you and a subscription, because this channel is all about trading over-the-counter penny stocks. And if you're not familiar with what they are, these are stocks that are not traditionally traded on the New York Stock Exchange. It's a very volatile environment, but if you know what you're doing, it can be very profitable, as I have been, and I've made this my living. So I do this every single day, and it's awesome. The freedoms that it's allowed me has been pretty amazing. So if you want to know more about how to trade over-the-counter stocks, give this a subscription and go check out my morning mentorship. So I go live with folks from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time. So it's a half hour before the market opens. I stay with you a half hour after it opens. And we just kind of look at potential catalysts that might make us some serious cash throughout the day. Today wasn't really that day. We caught ARSN at 007, 008 to now experience a 100% gain on that one. Perfect chart play, and I'll break that one down for you as well. SMPW, also a nice little chart play as well, making a nice run up from our 004 entries. So let me just welcome. It's one heck of a 59-hour marathon. Yeah, don't I know it? But you know what? I don't care. I love all those movies. I watch them all again. I wish, the one thing that I wish was that they did a little bit more. The Ed Norton Hulk movie, that was it for the Incredible Hulk, right? So like, I would have liked to have seen one more like Incredible Hulk movie, just to kind of like piece it all together, because I just feel like he was just kind of like left off to the side. I don't know. I got a soft spot for Incredible Hulk, and the Edward Norton movie was terrible. I wish they would have just redone it, but hey, it is what it is. Same showbox all day. Yeah, RETC had a little bit of a pop off, but it didn't do much. It pretty much just stopped at 0011. I'll wait for Endgame to hit showbox. Yeah, so a lot of people, I think, probably are doing that. I know I don't want to get caught in the spoilers. So it's a catch-22, right? I don't want to get caught in the spoilers, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know. But anyway, let's talk about stocks first, and then we can get to talking about. I just wanted to kind of get your guys' opinion on the movies, just because I know there's so many people out there that are really excited for it. And yeah, so I mean, I don't know. I'm excited for it to come out, but I'm also like willing to wait till I finish all the rest of my movies. I'm pretty far into it. I think I'm up to Age of Ultron was the last movie I watched. Still got a ways to go, but it is what it is. Anyways, as you can tell, I'm excited for it too. Let me share my screen with you guys. SMPW, what happened here? So SMPW had a nice little run up, and it had a quick sell off. So it lent itself a great opportunity to buy in at this support. It confirmed that it was holding the support very well. Some nice little buying volume came in this morning. So I announced to our morning mentorship folks that I was taking a position on this at 004 and 0041. It's where I got my fills at, and has made a nice little run just based off of this chart. Now, I think that we could see a nice little run back up to the 006 area. I'm not looking for this to be some crazy long-term event. I'm just playing it on the chart. Like I said, it's pretty slow today. There wasn't really anything in the form of news that really kind of blew me away. So I was like, okay, well, what's out there where the charts look pretty decent. And so this was one of them that did it for me. Nice little play again for our folks within the morning mentorship. SNPW, nice little play there. Another one was ARSN. ARSN, we got in at a 007, 008 entries, and has now had highs of 014. Man, can't say anything bad about this any longer. It was a rough go of it there for a while. Let me refresh the chart here. Had highs, as you can see, of 0014. Let me get the 30-minute chart going. So all the way up, actually higher than that. 0145 is the high of the day today. So it's settling back down a little bit after its nice little run up. But with our entries down here at 008 and 007, way to go, guys. So the folks that were in our morning mentorship, we saw value here and made a nice little play out of that as well. Also, I wanted to bring your attention to LFAP. LFAP has been one that, struggled there for a little while, had a little bit of sell-off, broke some supports, and I still told folks how I saw some real long-term potential on LFAP, and that if you were able to grab any of these in the 10 and 11 cent range, then I think that you would be very happy with it. Well, we saw highs of 18 cents, over 18 cents on LFAP, so this one is definitely making me look good yet again. LFAP, lots of good stuff going on there for a long-term hold potential. Really great one to build your account around for the long term. Last one I wanted to go over was BMMJ. BMMJ was one, I told you guys that I would really like to see some sort of pullback given the amount that this is run and how crazy it's been on BMMJ. And sure enough, it has. So I'm very happy with this. There's a lot of people that probably were freaking out. Me, however, I was not. I was very happy. Look at how this has kind of really held the support levels right here. You can see this crazy long wick, but that's wasn't really something I was concerned about. As you can see, it bounced right off of the support at $2, 206, and just kept on going right past $2.25. And this is what I like to see. I like to see some selling off, some consolidation to see if it really has the strength to keep on going. And boy, does it ever. It's crazy. This thing was down 20% today at one point and then has now gone back up. It could end up being green today. Who knows? BMMJ is just an unbelievable little mover. GLDFF is another one to definitely keep an eye on for sure. INKW is also moving well. Yes, I saw that. I try not to say anything too loud on INKW because every time I look at it and it looks good, something happens and it just sells off. So still see a lot of long-term potential on INKW for sure. But that one frustrates me to no end. So buying again BMMJ, PLTH, virtual reality marijuana dispensary all in one. Well, that's an interesting concept. I'll have to take a look at that one. Those are the stocks that really kind of I saw some value in, and we made some really good plays. Congrats to those of you who are in the ARSN, SNPW today. Nothing crazy popping off, but the market isn't all that great. Really, all this week it's been kind of sluggish, and so you just have to, look for ones that like charts, for example. There wasn't really like anything spectacular as far as catalysts that came out over the last week, really. P-top popped off a little bit, but the price action was already baked into that. We already knew the patents were out there, and so when P-top came out and officially announced that patent that they had granted, the price was already baked in. So people were selling that news. I hopped in that one and sold out flat because I thought maybe perhaps people would start buying it up on news, and then it really wasn't quite acting right. So I just sold out flat on that one. So that's pretty much what's been going on. So how are you guys feeling about Avengers? Any crazy Avengers fans out there along with myself? I certainly would like to hear from you. Let me see if there's any other questions here. NUGS definitely going nuts. I saw news came out on that today. I wasn't news that really I was expecting it to kind of go crazy on, but NUGS definitely, man, it is for sure balling. Oh, Conrad's going 8:30. Yeah, see, I knew there was a bunch of Avenger nerds with me or Marvel nerds with me on this one. So I'm super, super jealous. I mean, like I said, I think that for me it was a catch 22. I'm not a big crowd person, and if I'm going to something like that where like the theater is absolutely full, it would drive me crazy. So I think I'm still good. I'm good. Oh man, see, I knew there's going to be a lot of people that are going to make me jealous. Slacker Trader's going to watch it tonight. Better than DC. Oh my God, yeah. I'm sure there's probably some DC fans, but Marvel blows DC away. I don't even want to get into that conversation. I'll probably lose some subscriptions on that one. But no, I'm not going. I'm not going to go tonight. I'm going to go. Maybe even this weekend. Who knows? But it's definitely not going to be tonight. People in LA are paying $400 for the tickets. That's insane. That's crazy. Unbelievable. Well, hey, guess what? If you are a Marvel fan, just as myself, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I know that we're just talking about it, but really this is what community is about. So if you're not familiar with the community that I'm talking about, it's We Trade HQ. If you're not part of We Trade HQ, check the links down in the description below. We are a community of over 4,000 members from around the globe, learning and growing and celebrating each other's success. And it's not just geared towards penny stocks. When we like to have fun too, obviously, we're just talking about just simple life stuff like, Marvel comics and stuff like that. But really, it's an awesome community. It's a family-like atmosphere, not just geared towards penny stocks, but all areas of the market. I am a mentor in the OTC realm. Kiko is as well. We have people that are specialize in ETFs, Forex, options, big board stocks, mentors from all over, and even cryptocurrencies. We're working on that one. Don't worry, it is on its way. And so that no matter what you're trading in the market, We Trade HQ is the place for you. So that's it for me, guys. Again, please give me a thumbs up. I certainly would appreciate it. And that is it for me. As always, I will see you all before the bell. If you guys are going to the movie, please enjoy it. Don't spoil it for everybody. Just keep it to yourself, at least through the weekend. And that's it, guys. Have a good one. B. Smith is out.